Hi, my children. It's a very nice moment right now, and it's a very pleasurable moment because there are students here and they want to make speeches. That is why I have been here, and many of the students will really keep standing here. They will make their speeches. So let's listen to them and enjoy. So I would like to call Mr. Khadimul first to be here and make his beautiful speech. So just take a look, Mr. Khadimul. Over to Mr. Khadimul, please.
Hello friend, good afternoon. I am Khadimul. I am from Parse, which falls in Katihar, where as per my academic qualification, I am the student of BA Part 2. My hobbies include reading, writing, playing cricket. I want to be a doctor. Thank you very much. My topic is my family. I have a wonderful family. I love all my family members. My family are caring and supportive. There are 7 members in my family, which includes my mother and father, 2 elder brothers, 2 youngest sister, me in my family. I am a smallest member of my family. We live in together. I pray to Allah, to God, everyone, this family. Thank you very much.
Hello, my name is Ananti. I hail from Vinodpur, which falls in Katihar, India. As for my academic qualification, I am a student of class 6. My hobby is art and craft and playing. I want to be a doctor. My topic is Independence Day. Independence Day is national. Independence Day celebrate on 15th Independence Day. Independence Day is national festival. On this day is very important for all Indians. On this day, 1947. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, I am Raviti. I hail from Vinodpur, which falls Katihar in Bihar. As for my academic qualification, I am a student of class 6. My hobby include dancing, playing, reading. I want to be a doctor. Thank you. My topic is my school. My school name is AM Children's Academy. There are many teachers in my school. There are many students in my class. The name of my principal is Mr. Sunil Kumar Sinha. That's all.
Hello friends, my name is Nazar Fatima. I hail from Durgapur, which falls in Katihar in Bihar. As for my academic qualification, I am the student of class 4th. My hobby includes reading, playing, dancing, etc. I want to be a district magistrate. Thank you. Have a nice day. My topic is my school. My school name is Kendra Vidyalaya. There are many teachers in my school. There are 1,500 students in my school. My school is a big playground, and my last sentence is my school principal name is MD Anand Prakash. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello, my name is Sumit Kumar. I hail from Vinodpur, Chunagali, which falls in Katihar, Bihar. As for my academic qualification, I am the student of class 11. My hobbies include reading and playing. I want to be a doctor. Thank you. My topic is my father. My father's name is Mr. Shankar. He lives in Begusai. He is a job holder. He loves me a lot. I love my father very much. Thank you.
Wow, splendidly they all stated few of the sentences. And as you know that they are little and cute, beautiful children actually. And they are not well experienced and they are learners, they are learning. That is why they are trying their level best, and all of them spoke few of the sentences and words. So I just thank them all to be here and keep speaking few of the sentences without any hesitation. But it will take some time for the improvement, and with the passage of time they will learn much better. They will be stronger, they will be fluent enough, and they will really be speaking very much fluently. So I promise all the students that they should continue like this, and one day the time will be there. You will see them speaking very fluently, very frankly, without any hesitation. But whatever the performance was, whatever they spoke, whatever they continued there, I'm really proud to hear them all. So I just want to conclude my speech with a few words. I once again congratulate and thank all my students for patience and speaking sentences here. And that's all. So Mr. Yasin from British English says to you very goodbye, and see you again in the next video. Take care of yourselves. Goodbye.